like you. Be strong to hold the powers of the sun.
2017 Chevy Camaro ZL1. I'm about to let you guys hear it. It's still got the stock exhaust on it. He's gonna bring it back. We just ordered a full BBK, hopefully header back system out for it with MagnaFlows. He's gonna get put on. Just wanted to let you guys see it and hear it. And shout outs to him if you guys want to look him up. ZL1 Hulk 17. Beautiful green color. I'll let you guys hear it. Go ahead. Even with stock exhaust, still sounds sick. Just a beast of a car. Gives the Hellcat a run for its money too. Beautiful car all the way around. Hope you guys like it. Just want to let you guys see it and hear it. In the exhaust community, that's what they sound like. Woo, babe. Tell us what you guys think in the comments. Enjoy.
I love how they have that.
This is what it looks like on the inside.
The rev match is clutch, like, cause I was teaching her to
There it
drive
is.
stick. Like, rev
If you
match
guys
is
wonder
clutch.
what it looks like on the inside, got a nice screen on it.
Quick. I had a STI. With
Came out really beautiful. Red stitching on the seats.
Compared to this.
Shout out to my boy ZL1 Hulk for having it in here.